In this quick video, I'll be walking you through how to enable auto dubbing in YouTube. So just like you can see on this video right here, you can see the audio track and you can see all the language that are available for this video. And this video was made in English original, as you can see right here. So Dutch is available and some more other 13 languages alongside with English, which make it 14 languages that are available. So I'm going to show you how you can actually do that. But then, so just so you know that if your channel is not monetized, there is no way you will be able to enable the auto dubbing. But then under the settings, you might actually see that the auto dubbing is included, but then it's not going to apply in your video. And also, if you enable it, you'll be able to see it on your video. And if you're trying to check the auto dubbing language in some other people's video, if they have not enabled the features in their YouTube settings, you are not going to see the auto dubbing in their video. And if the channel is not monetized at the same time, you are not going to see these features in their video. So if you have a channel that is monetized and you want to enable the auto dubbing, this is all you need to do. Just go to your channel and go to settings right here. And also you also see these languages right here after the enabling, and you see all the language that your channel is actually available on. So on this page right here, you see all the languages that your channel is available. You can see these are the videos that are available on the channel, and you can see 13 languages updated on July 16. You can see this one as well. You can see others as well. So I think the 13 languages are the one that are available right now. So all you just need to do, just go to settings on the left hand side, then scroll all the way down to upload, then click on advanced settings. Then under the advanced settings, you scroll all the way down right here, then you see auto dubbing. So you can see allow automatic dubbing. So, and then you see manually review dubbing dubs before publishing. So this manual review dubs actually allows you to enable these features on each video you are publishing on your channel before the video go live to people to see the video. And this automatic dubbing means that you don't need to review this. Once you publish your video, you will definitely see that the auto dubbing has already been allowed on your video. And if you check on this recent video that I published, you can see this video was published on the 16th, which is today, and then the auto dubbing is already allowed. And this video was published 30 minutes ago, let's say. So, and the language has already been allowed on it. So all you just have to do, just enable which one you actually want to go for. Either you want to use the auto review, or you want to use the first option, which is allow auto dubbing. So once you can also select the two box, you can see review dubs in all language, and then review dubs in experimental language only. So all this one you see have to be going back and forth while uploading each video on your channel. But then if you just click on the allow automatic dubbing, then you just check this box and click on save, and then each video you are publishing on your channel will definitely enable all the language that YouTube actually support. And for you to keep in mind that if your channel is not monetized, you might see this feature like I said, but then the languages are not going to be included in your video. So you need to get monetized before you can see these features working on your channel. And if you have any question, you can let me know through the comment section below. Thank you.